February 16th, 2019. Let's jump into it. I'm going to do a roll call here. See if you're here. If you are here, please put here in the comment section below. I'll know who you are. Peter, here. Peter's always here. Love you, man. Thanks for always leaving comments in the comment section. It means a lot to me. Dave, Nick, Jason, Terry, and Stefan. If you're here, guys, put here in the comments. I'd love to see if you're checking this out. Total market cap $117 billion. What? We're up $1 billion, I think, from yesterday. I'm not positive. I thought it was 116 yesterday. But anyway, let's jump into Bitcoin. Bitcoin up $4.41 from the new candle. But we are up overall for today's candle, which is right here. It's looking pretty good. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. As far as sideways action is concerned, the one thing that I have trouble with here is the absolute dumpage going on in money flow on this indicator. It doesn't mean that this one is kicking in, at least not yet, but this one is dumping hard. I'm not really sure what to think about that. It looks to me like RSI may want to give us a golden cross and come back up, but we could have a little more sideways before then. We shall see. Okay, $3,586 on the Bitcoin USD 1 day for Coinbase. Stay in it. How about XRP? XRP USD on the 1 day for Binance, we're currently at 30 cents. So that one we've been out of, and it's been basically trending sideways also with the rest of the market. But we're out of that one because of diminishing volume, and money flow has not really looked that healthy. So stay out of that. XRP BTC, we're at 8,305 Satoshis. Stay out of it. We're going down. LTC USD. So far, we're out of it. We're staying out now. Money flow is falling out, and but we do have something interesting forming down here, which is a golden cross on the RSI. If this thing sticks, we may be jumping back into it, okay? So that's why we set our stops. If this thing were to blast off higher, we want to get back in right where we left off and have some continuation. But if it dips today and continues to go down, then we're still in a great position. I think that's fantastic. Currently, LTC is at $43.09 on the 1 day for Coinbase. Stay out of it. LTC BTC is 1,200 Satoshis. Stay out of it on the 1 day for Coinbase. That's the LTC BTC, by the way. ETH BTC is at 3,390 Satoshis on the 1 day Coinbase. Stay in it. Ethereum USD is $121.80 on the 1 day Coinbase, and you can stay in that one also. This one is interesting also because I'm also getting some really bad dumpage in the money flow, so look out for that. Bitcoin Cash USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is at $120.23. Let's take a look at it real quick. Boy, it just keeps flirting with that line. It's so crazy. We're going to stay in it for one more day. Please set your stops wherever you're comfortable with. If this thing dumps, we want good position. Bitcoin Cash SV BTC on the 1 day for Binance is at 17,115 Satoshis. We are currently out of it, and we've been out of it for a while on Bitcoin Cash SV since the 13th of January. Let's jump into ZEC. ZEC USDC on the 1 day for Binance is $50.11. Let's take a look at that chart. Ooh, there we go. There's got a little bit of recovery candle, but this candle right here, which is only like a little over 2 hours old, this baby here is starting to dump on us. Interesting. I'm thinking at the first sign of it, we may dump it altogether. We're going to stay in it currently because it's straddling the line. I need to get a full open and close below the line before we dump it. Also, too, the indicators are all still very positive except for RSI, which is coming down. I'd love to see a reversal on this and a nice little bounce. That would be awesome. But if we don't get it, we'll get rid of it. How about ETC? Ethereum Classic on the US dollar 1 day for Coinbase. Stay in it at $4.12. ZRX USD. That thing is going down on the 1 day for Coinbase. Stay out of it. BAT, Basic Attention Token USDC, is at 12 cents, almost 13. We're still in it. It's still up there. It's in the Kumo cloud currently, looking good at almost 13 cents. So yeah, that's okay. Stay in it. Digibyte is still a sell at 246 satoshis on the 1 day for Bittrex. How about Tron TRX? I'm still waiting for that back test. Let's get rid of this thing here. Remove. Okay, I'm still waiting for that back test. See, it came up here, came down. I'm looking for a back test to come back up and then break down off of that 50-day moving average. It's probably coming soon. If the market says that this back test was good enough, then hey, then it's good enough, and then we'll just keep going down. But I kind of thought we would get a back test of it. We'll see. Tron is currently at 649 satoshis. Stay out of it on the 1 day for Binance. How about Theta? Theta BTC on the 1 day for Binance is at 2,501 satoshis. We got a nice pump here that kind of pumped up, but we're still trending down. Notice how on this trend line here, it kind of bonked its head and started coming right back down again. So let's check out the indicators. Yeah, it's not saying to get into it yet. RSI still coming down. We've got all kinds of mixed signals basically. So we're just staying out in good profit, and we'll see what happens next. Theta, stay out of it. OMG USD is $1.25 on the 1 day for Bitfinex. That's like twice I've done that. Stay in it. Looking good. Dash USD is $79.87. We did do a little bit of a pullback here, but we're still bullish. We're going to stay in it and see if we can't get a bounce here soon. So yeah, that's on the 1 day for Binance. How about Proppy BTC on the 1 day for Bittrex? We're at 3,115 satoshis. Oh boy, stay out of it. It's still below the 9, not looking too good. How about PPT, Populous Bitcoin on the 1 day for Binance? We're currently at 3,425 satoshis. Let's see here. Yep, stay out of that one. That doesn't look good either. Ambrosis USD, this is on the 1 day for Binance at 5 cents. Man, I almost gave you guys a heart attack. 5 cents. Sorry. Yeah, it's currently at 5 cents on the 1 day for Binance. You don't want to be in this. No, stay out of it. Humanique, stay out of this. This Humanique BTC on the 1 day for Bittrex is still at 208 satoshis. Stay out of it. ADA BTC on the 1 day for Binance. Cardano, ooh, showing real weakness right here. I don't know about this. We're gonna stay in it for now, but boy, it's been on the edge here for the last 2 days. I do like the green that we finished up with. That was nice, but we've got to see how this one ends here too. So ADA BTC is currently at 1,129 satoshis on the 1 day for Binance. Stay in it. PundyX USD on the 1 day for Binance is 66. Oh, not even. I can't even say that. That's like not even a penny. It's so cheap. Here we go. Yeah, we're gonna stay in this one for now on Pundy. Neo BTC on the 1 day for Bitfinex. We are staying in this. Boy, it closed hard and real far down on the Neo BTC on the 1-day Bitfinex. We're at 2,200. I'm sorry, 2,226 satoshis. So we're staying in this for now. Tezos USD. Boy, we got a nice pump on this one, but it pulled back. Oh boy. Well, you know what? We're still bullish, and we're gonna stay in it for now. I'm setting stops real tight around here. We'll see where it takes us, but so far we're in profit. We're doing fine. I would have loved to have scalped it. I totally missed it, which would have been awesome. But if any of you saw the run up, boy, that would have been a real great one to get out of. Tezos USD is currently at 43 cents on the 1-day for Kraken. Let's take a look at QLC chain BTC on the 1-day for Binance. We are at 640 satoshis. Wow, stay out of it. It's basically just been trending sideways. It doesn't have a pulse or anything. It's just sitting there. Aeon BTC on the 1-day for Binance is at 317 satoshis. Stay out of it. Doge BTC on the 1-day for Bittrex. Wow, Doge, what you got here? Look at this. Finish strong. Very good. Wow. Okay, we got a little bit of volume. We got money flow. RSI's looking good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull the trigger on this. I want to see what Doge can do. Do you think it's going to pop, or is this a fake out? Let's take a look here. It's done this before right here on this little blip. It was a fairly decent run up here, but it pulled back right away. Let's see if this one's got what it takes to keep running. That would be awesome. That'd be really good. We've kind of seen this situation before, so I'm going to go ahead and say, why not? Let's get into it right there. Boom. Doge, you're up. I got to remind myself to get in there and start buying into the Doge because it's fun, and set my stops tight. Let's take a look here. I'm going to pull this up right like that. Okay, good. So Doge, stay in it. Hot, or get in it. Hot BTC is still going. It's just trading sideways. It's not, really doing much, but it's bullish, and we're going to see where it takes us. Love the money flow. That's okay. Volume's looking good. RSI looking good. It all looks good. I love it. I love the God mode oscillators kicking in. Beautiful. Okay, so Holo Chain, aka Hot BTC, on the 1-day for Binance. We're staying in it. BTT token, the one with no indicator volume yet. You know what? We're going to stay in it. We had a real nasty candle here, and then we popped right back up to the upside. We'll see if this thing can stay either straddling the line or above the 9. If it dumps, then we get out, right? There's no shame in that. We'll get out. If we got to get out, we'll get out. It's not a big deal. But yeah, we need some more data coming in for this. This is the RSI. It's coming down. So yeah, we could be experiencing some dumpage here. Let's take a look here. I need to look at this further. This all looks very bearish right here. Yeah, and then we got a wick right here, kind of saying we're going to try to trade sideways, like there's indecision. It keeps flipping back and forth. It doesn't really have a destination. More or less, it's leaning to the downside. Let's take a look at the indicators that we do have. Oh boy, I would say based on this trend, we should be going down, down, down. I'm going to give it one more day. I want to see what this thing can do. If it can fire it back up, or if it's just going to continue its downtrend. I'm probably going to set some stops here. It's only at 25. It's like it's free, right? Let me show you where free is. Free's right here. Anything lower than that, they're paying you to take it. So I don't know. This one's been fun though. We've been really doing good. I like this. We're basically break even or even position. We got a little bit. It could come down a little ways before we break even, but it's fine. Stay in it. XLM, BTC. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, stellar. This is the one we were looking at the other day. Remember, we were like, oh, it's coming up looking strong, but we'll see what the next candle does before. And sure enough, the candle had total breakdown. So we're going to stay out of that. Good job staying out of it, waiting for the market to show its hand. BNB, BTC, stay out of it. It's coming down. That's on the 1 day for Binance, currently at 25,015 Satoshis. And BNB USD is $9.23 on the 1 day for Binance, and stay out of that one as well. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I feel like a real winner today. We got the truck paid off, right? Boom. So we're just knocking them down one at a time. It just feels so good to just kind of have that out of the way, which is really good. Now we'll work on paying off this house. That'd be sweet. And keep these cryptos rolling. We'll keep the trades up. God bless you guys. Thanks for joining me today. Remember the roll call. Remember to say here if you're here. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, talk to you soon. I am out. See you tomorrow.